Good morning, CMSW. Today's show is a special tribute to Supreme Court Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, who passed away on September 18th. But first, the Pledge of Allegiance. Please stand. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
And now for a little background on Ruth Bader Ginsburg. As only the second woman appointed to the U.S. Supreme Court, she had to overcome a lot of hurdles to get there, starting with when she went to Harvard Law School.
The dean of that college asked her why she was taking a spot that should go to a man.
But Ruth didn't budge from becoming a lawyer and graduated at the top of her class.
Despite this, no one wanted to give her a job. She was a woman, and at this point, she was also a mother.
This discrimination made her determined to make a difference for women and men who were being denied equal rights because of gender.
She argued a case before the Supreme Court representing a man who lost his wife in childbirth. That man wanted to stay home with the baby.
But as a man, he couldn't claim Social Security survivor benefits. Those only applied to widows.
But Ruth got the highest court in the land to reverse this and change the law.
She was well known in 1993 when President Clinton put her name forward to fill a vacant seat on the Supreme Court.
She was tiny but fierce. When the case didn't end the way she wanted them to end, she would write a very strong statement called dissent, or in other words, I disagree.
One of those cases where Ruth Bader Ginsburg dissented was Ledbetter versus Goodyear Tire and Rubber Company.
Lily Ledbetter sued Goodyear for gender discrimination after 19 years of employment when she found out that she had always been paid less than male employees.
In 2007, Supreme Court sided with Goodyear because at that time, employees had 180 days to file suit, and Ledbetter's case didn't fit that timeline.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg wrote a strong-worded dissent stating that Lily Ledbetter couldn't meet the 180-day timeline because she didn't find out she had been discriminated against until much later.
And to make sure her argument would be heard, she read her dissent from the bench. Now everyone knew about the gender wage gap.
She also asked Congress to change the law, and they did. When President Barack Obama took office in 2009, Lily Ledbetter Fair Pay Act was the first bill he assigned.
Ruth Bader Ginsburg was often asked, when do you think it will be enough? When will there be enough women on the court?
With her emphasis on gender equality, her answer shouldn't have surprised anyone. Her answer was always 9.
Thanks for listening to the story of this amazing American icon.
Have a great day, Westies.
Bye!